All right, here we've got our wire strippers. Is that Panon? Looks like. Not the most expensive set by any means, but not the cheapest either. So I'm fairly new to this stuff, so I really wouldn't know what to compare it to, but I can at least show you what we got here. Self-adjusting insulation strippers. We got alloy steel jaws suited for the wire of the specification of 10 to 24 AWG. 0.226 millimeters. That's up there. We got number 2 right in there. Nut of adjusting the strength of stripping. Please fine-tune the nut while it is sliding or cannot be stripped out or damage wire. Okay. 3. Over here we got a fixed length of stripping wire. Self-adjustable. Also, you can strip wire to a certain length. And we got the cutter in the back here. Got our crimp. Oh, look at that. It's got crimpers for the insulated terminals. And the crimper for, 4 to 22, 7 to 8 millimeter non-insulated terminals as well. So we got our colored yellow, blue, red there for our insulated terminals. And then our non-insulated. Very nice. Of course, we got our warning. Always use protective eyewear and all that. So let's check her out. Real easy to open packaging. That's a relief with the way most of these are packaged. Yeah, I gotta be honest, I thought it was gonna be heavier. Oh wow. You know, that feels nice though. Pull it together, grabs the wire. Or for crimping. Yeah, nice feel to it. I'm definitely looking forward to trying it, but this right here is just a simple little unboxing video. There you have it.